All right. Here we are back again. Now time to add the rhinestones. So we got the bags part right here. Go ahead and get that off the backing. And then just position it right in where you need it. That's looking good. Now if you printed off the sublimation image to the size dimensions listed in the sizing guide, it will come out perfect like this for you every time. Let me slide this down a little bit so that I can have more real estate under the heat press to get this part in there. The hitting. Boom. Boom. It's looking good to me, y'all. Slide it back up so that all the stones are on the press. And once again, with another piece of packing paper. Now I thought I had stoned up the gloves. No, but I guess the gloves isn't on this template. I'm gonna have to stone up the gloves, stone up the bag, probably stone up his shorts. This little part right here to the top of his shoe. Yeah, I might add a little more to this design. But right now, this is how it looks. Let's bake it. It's typically 315 for 30 seconds, but hold on. That's not tight enough. You want a little pressure for them rhinestones to adhere to the shirt. Alright. Now after you press, we move the tape. Look how those stones are hitting on there, y'all. Look at that. Yeah, hitting bags. Richie Rich.